We are all facing really challenging times in global economy. One of the most certain things about what is happening all over the world is that nobody knows what's happening. It's a big turmoil. Markets are tumbling. People are scary. There is a lot of uncertainty. People are not able to take position because of the huge changes that are happening overnight. And in this context, everybody is struggling to find out what should be the right response to such a challenging times. The businesses have to grow all the time. As it is said, to survive you have to grow. So growth is not an option, but that's something which is a necessity. So how do you grow in such an uncertain atmosphere? This is a big challenge, but also an opportunity. The humanity has always surmounted such challenges by way of coming out with new ideas. What you cannot change around you, you can always respond to the change by changing yourself. And that is what the business strategy has to be. And that is what is meant by, in modern parlance, innovation. So constantly you must look within yourself, look within the organization, find out what is that I need to do to face the outside environment. So changing internally in line with what is happening outside, that should be the best response that should happen to a changing environment globally. And that would mean that you have to innovate, you have to reinvent, you have to all the time be on your toes and start thinking differently. Those who survive in these challenging times would be the ones who will not be status quoist, who will think differently, who will change differently, who will act smart, who will act fast, are the only ones who will be able to succeed in this changing atmosphere. Innovation has to be at all levels. Technological innovation is a must. Management innovation is a necessity. Bringing new business processes will be the call of the day. And making sure that you actually align all the resources of the organization in line with the new objective which are stated through this process of innovation. That means human resource, financial resources, technological tools, all of that must be aligned in one way to attain your corporate goals. The corporate goals should be defined and devised by way of innovative process. Those who do this will find themselves not just struggling in this uncertain atmosphere, but probably will be at the top of the table. And that is why you must turn the table on the environment around you. Change the rule of the game, not just keep playing the game which is changing constantly with the old tool that you have. Those who will be able to do this will be the real winners. Those who fail to this will be the losers. So the choice is whether you want to be a winner or a loser. If you want to be a winner, you must innovate. You want to be a loser, just remain as where you are. And that's what is going to be the new challenge. I look forward to innovative ideas getting born. We have seen, even in this struggling global economy, even in this uncertain world, there are several companies who have done very well. Why? Because they didn't follow the old ethos. They changed them. They didn't play the game as was decided by the others, but they chose to set their own rules of the game. And that's why they succeeded. I think this is the challenge and opportunity. I think those who will make it happen will succeed. So all the best to all the new innovators, all the best to the new winners, and I feel sorry for the losers.